Strickland Farms.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Strickland Farms. Appreciate y'all clicking on the video. I'm delivering a load of hay right now. I'm gonna put a time lapse in of loading it, a little different angle. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna see what we get into today. Probably a lot of hay hauling. So I'm hauling right now to I don't know, about, I think it's about 5 miles south of the circle in Dothan. Southeast, really. So it's taken me a while. I hauled 2 loads the other day. It's in the previous move. I hauled 2 loads the other day, and I put that in the previous video. So I got 3 more loads to go. So hopefully I can get 2 today, and then I only have 1 tomorrow. So then I got to haul another load of brundage. So it's getting cold, so everybody's needing hay. Y'all stay tuned. All right, load number 1 has been dumped, and I am headed home. Dothan traffic is terrible. I'm not going to say that bad word. So here we go. Go get another load and come back. Of course, it'll be dark, so probably won't get much filming. I'll film loading it, but I'll let y'all know how it goes. What's going on, YouTube? It's another day, same video. So today's Thursday before Christmas. Yes, it's starting to cool down. So it's still misty, nasty and all, but this right here is the last load going below Dothan. So I'm ready to be done with that. I was driving through Dothan with all that Christmas traffic. It's terrible. So I'm fixing to, Dad loaded it for me today, so I didn't get any footage of it being loaded. So, but I'm fixing to hop in and take it and be done with that contract. So y'all stay tuned, see what else we get into. All right, I don't know how to turn a light on. Oh, let's see what this does. Oh, got a light. All right, everybody, I'm back from my delivery to Dothan, and I am loading the hay trailer for tomorrow morning. My dad's gonna take a load to Brundage tomorrow morning, or he says he is, before the weather gets too rough, too cold. So we'll go ahead and get it loaded for him and ready. I think all the rain's done. So y'all stay tuned. I am not filming the loading. I should have set up the camera, I didn't even think about it. So I'll get some footage of it, but stay tuned. I didn't even think the video of cold start. Woo! That little rascal was a cold start now. It won't start. It's 31 degrees right now, southeast Alabama. It is cold, and you see the wind blowing that smoke. It is windy. Wind gust up to 30 right now. But I'm having to use the darn tractor without a cab because the battery's dead on mine. The one with the cab. Dang. So it had been slow to start, but I didn't think it was that bad, but I guess this cold weather got it. So I'm gonna get to freeze my tail off loading hay with that, but y'all stay tuned. Are you filming that? Crazy rat.
That thing went right under that.
Hey, they ain't no different. Look at her.
She is crazy.
No different from that hay up there. Ain't no different. Navel's still red, so it's probably man, that's a pretty rascal.
It's got a little white to it.
It's got a lot of white face.
Oh, that one? Oh, yeah. It's because of the, oh, that is a pretty one.
Yep. Y'all see if y'all can get the figures on this bale.
Baby. Not the mama. Hey, baby. Mama's over here. Baby. Baby, I hear another baby. It came up right up to me.
Which one's the mama, number 50?
Yeah. She went to 49 and it kept hitting it away.
Just let it make a pile.
What the world? This one just started red.
Don't stop. Don't get the tail on you. Oh man, the bales that were on the top in the barn are a lot lighter than the bottom.
You baby sitting over there.
There's the spit mark on the bottom right now.
take care of it.
That's like wood.
Has anybody counted the cows?
No, I've been filming.
All right,
Freezing my butt off.
It'll be 16 tonight and tomorrow night. Nobody have a calf. Hold it for 3 days. You good, 49?
I think so.
She's looking at you like, yeah, whatever.
She's backing up right there.
I ain't listening to you.
We know we got 5 cows.
Everybody's here.
Yay.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Get back in the car.
And then that
She's tired of all the fanfare.
this don't look like no chickens.
She's going to
I
hide.
raised that heifer too. A lot of heifers out here I've raised. A few of the old ones left. All right, what, 5 calves now?
Mm-hmm.
We'll come back tomorrow and probably have 2.
You told them not to.
I know, well, they're stubborn. They're women. They're stubborn.
It's like we can control that.
All right, let's go. It's cold. Come on, old lady.
Poor lady with her white eyelashes.
What was the guy from the Muppet, the old man that had the frown all the time?
Do that one back there.
Let's go home. That's gonna do it for us, folks. I appreciate y'all clicking on the video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. From Strickland Farms, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Catherine's back there, but oh, there she is.